Mitra.
Hi, Shadika.
So, okay, I need a brief about your journey, how did you begin and how it's going. So, what are your tasks and how you challenges and everything?
My career, I can say, is a roller coaster ride for me. I worked in two different forms. One is in IT as a tester, as a QA. Also, I worked in a university as an assistant professor. So, I have both the places work experience and different states. Karnataka, Faridabad, Delhi, Pune, Maharashtra. So, multiple states I have worked. Then, a big break for me, that is a motherhood. After the motherhood, coming a comeback is like a challenge. We ourselves will be in a question whether what we are doing is right or no. So in that, coming to the job is one more next challenge. That too, when I came to Chennai, I don't know Tamil. The mother tongue called as Konkani. It's a completely a different slang. Next, 5 year gap, and in that 5 year gap, technology has changed. Corona has hit. There's a complete difference in the way people look at you. The first question when you try for a new job comes with the question, do you have a kid? Why have you given 5 years break? What are you going to do now? Then upgrade yourself first. So upgraded myself, checked with multiple places. And the biggest challenge for me was learning Tamil or understanding Tamil. I don't know what has been told. Either take Google Translate. Everywhere I'm going, I'm taking a Google Translate and roaming. Okay, what they've said, please say it once again. Read it and then reply back. That was the way I was handling things. Then slowly, by God's grace, got some people around. They explained me like, you talk, we will try to understand, we'll tell you, provided repeat in Tamil whatever we are saying. So that is how my journey in Chennai started, by learning Tamil. Once I started learning Tamil, I pushed myself or upgrade myself, come out of my comfort zone. That is sending my kid to daycare. The third thing, start applying, give interviews. Started pushing myself above my limit. Okay, let's start calling. Even if it is a far distance, let it be. I'll go because I need an opportunity. I need to kickstart myself, come out of the comfort zone. Third, once the comfort zone, I was confident enough. Okay, I'll push, give the interviews. First question, do you know Tamil? I don't know Tamil. So when it went on multiple interviews, the golden opportunity was at Arsoft. I got a call. I waited multiple calls. One of the person was called as Priyan. He took my interview. Satish took my interview. Jayanti was in the calling loop. Finally, the final call was with Badri sir. So even with Badri sir, it was challenging as initially it was over call and then I was told you have to come to the office directly. Everything works out the same day. So here in Arsoft, my journey started like this. And now currently, I'm working in this organization in the sales team as a TL.
How are you using the AI at Orsoft and how it impacts your?
AI is no doubt being a very important part here at Arsoft. Either it is with the tool, that is our main CRM, for calling purpose or for lead managing of any other smallest thing. Even what happens is, even for our business analyst people to analyze how a person's business is working, how a client's business is working, at that point also the AI plays a crucial role. How it is helping us to give us a clear idea about what the person's requirement are and how we can pitch it. Also with the CRM part, when it comes for AI calling, it is very helpful because if the office is closed also, the leads will be managed with it by AI calling. The AI agents connect and they give us a briefing so that the next day when our business analyst people are joining, they will have a clear idea what are the exact requirements and accordingly we can pitch into them. Then we also have AI summary. So what is this AI summary? If the telecallers have picked or our business analyst BDOs have picked the calls, they've spoken to the clients, then in the summary part, we'll have an idea what all the points have been spoken as a manager level. And also we'll get to know that, yes, this is a proper pitching is done, proper pitching is not done, or what needs to be done. So end-to-end support AI is giving us. If it comes to presentations or if it comes to having a quick meet with the team or having a team discussion or having a team game, AI gives the solution in quick.
So what gives you the most confidence to succeed every day?
My team. Arsoft team is giving me that confidence to push myself to the next level. Whether we have technical issue, the onboarding is always helpful. If we are having any doubt in testing part or checking, we have the QA team always readily available. Our sales team, no doubt, as a team, we are pushing ourselves daily with every day a new requirement. Either the client is in other language, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, or the client is in Tamil also, but asking a new requirement like whether the campaign can be run user-wise, whether the leads will be shuffled. If the lead is not touched for 48 hours, what will it be shuffled or no? So every day being in the sales team, the one thing that keeps on making me or helping me to build myself and push forward is the requirements. So these requirements help us to again give it as a list to the QA team and the developer team as a new requirement. And that is how as a whole team we are growing.
Thank you.